viewers, welcome to Farhaan's kitchen. In this video, we'll be making a light, crispy and delicious Middle Eastern dessert baklava. Baklava is basically layers of pastry filled with finely chopped nuts and then soaked in sugar syrup. Baklava is traditionally made using phyllo pastry, which is not easily available and is quite expensive. So today we'll be making baklava using Samosa Sheets. So let's get started. First, let's have a look at the ingredients we require for this recipe. So here are the ingredients we require for the recipe. So here I have a few nuts which are chopped into fine powder. So I have some pistachios, almonds and cashews. Then we need the samosa sheets. So here I have a couple of them with me. And we also have ghee. So now let's start making the baklava. So first, place your samosa sheets like this. Then we need to spread some ghee on the samosa sheets. So use a good spread of ghee. Once you are done brushing the ghee, we then sprinkle the nuts powder. This will be the filling for the baklava. Just lightly sprinkle the nuts powder. So evenly spread the nuts filling. So if there are some big pieces of nuts, you can always take them out. So once you have evenly spread the filling, we will now be rolling the baklava. So today we will be making a roll shaped baklava. So now we roll it just like this. Once you have done folding the baklava like this, you can slowly place it on the baking tray. So once you have placed the rolled baklava on the baking tray, we just spread some ghee on it. So we brush the ghee evenly on the top of the baklava. By doing the same process, you can make as many rolls as you want. Once our rolled baklavas are ready and are placed on the baking tray, in a preheated oven, bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. So now I am going to place my baklavas in the oven for baking. So now I am going to place the timer for 20 minutes. So while the baklavas are baking in the oven, let's make the sugar syrup ready. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the sugar syrup. So here we have half a cup of sugar. So to half cup of sugar we add half a cup of water. And then we also add a small piece of a cinnamon bark. So now we'll be boiling this mixture. So after the sugar has completely dissolved in the water, we'll be boiling the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes such that it thickens. So the baklavas are ready and they are now out of the oven. I am getting a wonderful aroma. While the baklavas are hot, let's just pour the sugar syrup on them. So just before you serve, pour the sugar syrup on the baklavas. So now the sugar syrup is completely spread on my rolled baklava. So similarly, we pour the sugar syrup on all our baklavas before serving. So once you have poured the sugar syrup on all of the baklavas you have made, wait for some time till it gets completely soaked inside the rolled baklava. You can finally relish a delicious baklava. So crispy and really delicious. So do let me know in the comment section if you tried out this recipe and it worked out well.